this video I just wanted to share a quick sketch I made. I'm just starting by loosely sketching some flowers with stems. I just wanted to have a few different flowers, so I tried to sketch different leaves. Recently I'm trying to be more, how do you say, like trying different shapes and all. I just really want to I'm trying not to stay in my own comfort zone with the leaves and the flowers I know. And I feel like I should study some flowers. Now I made some pictures of flowers and I really need to study them more, I guess. I think this is an advice I heard in another video, and someone explains there what most people do is just draw like how they think things look instead of really looking how an object looks like, how the light is coming in, bouncing off different materials. I find myself a lot of times drawing something that I think, for example, a flower, because I assume a flower will look a certain way instead of really looking at the flower and see how the flower looks. I love coloring in the flowers. I just go by color I feel most like it to use in that moment, so I'm going for pink here, and I'm roughly sketching in. I'm not really drawing in the lines, inside the lines, in the lines. Add some blues and purples. Really love the combination of these colors, and in the end I just add a background. These little squares, just a basic Procreate pencil. And I love using this as a background. And then I add some little detail colors in the small circles just to make this complete. And then we have the final pattern here. It's not that I'm really excited about this pattern, but I put in some hours like sketching, bettering my skills and having fun. I think that is very important, to just have fun, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.